Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by and spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. And I'm really excited because today I have my second Stitch Fix box for the month of April. Look how I got this box. It came so banged up, so I did cut it open like I always do, but nothing's damaged, so we're good. But anyway, if you don't know about Stitch Fix, I will leave a link below so you can find out more information or try it for yourself. I love my Stitch Fix boxes. It's probably one of my favorite subscription boxes to receive. I've had really good luck with Stitch Fix. I've had the same stylist, Alex, for the whole time that I've been doing Stitch Fix, and she's just great. Last time I did my Stitch Fix box, I sent everything back. It was a 0 for 5, and it's been a while since that happened, and that's okay. I was offered the Style Pass, which I paid last year. It's probably expiring soon, actually. So I paid $49 for a year for that Style Pass, so I don't pay a styling fee. But if you're new to Stitch Fix, you will pay a $20 styling fee. That does get credited to anything in your box that you keep. If you keep all 5 items, you do get a 20% discount. So it's really nice if you get to keep all 5. I've had a couple of those boxes too where I've kept everything. So I've had really good luck with my Stitch Fix boxes. So I really recommend them. I did peek. I don't know if I already said that. I'm losing my mind. I don't know. I did peek to see what was inside my box. But we're still gonna go through because I haven't actually gone through my clothing yet. It's still in the bundle, which is unlike me. So you also get an envelope which has your invoice with all the prices. I will leave the list below in the description box of all of the items I received and the prices. And we'll look at it after too. And then you also get your style cards with your styling note. So Alex wrote me a note. I'll show you, I'll put it here. If you want to pause and read it, you probably can, hopefully. And then it gives you cards with ideas how to style your items. But what I noticed, and I think I mentioned this in my last Stitch Fix video, I used to keep the cards for the items that I kept, but now all of your style cards are saved online, so you don't even have to keep the paper copies. You can just go online and all of the items that you purchase, you click on it and the style card is there, so that's really cool. You also get your prepaid mailer, so postage is free both ways, and they use USPS, so anything that you're not keeping goes right back in here, and it's so convenient. You just drop it off at the post office. You have 3 days to do that. However, you can request an extension if you need one, so if you're not going to be home or you need more time to decide, things like that. I don't know how long you can request one for, but that is an option too. All right, so I'm gonna show you what's inside my box, so let's see. So I told you, right? Are you surprised? Kayla's bundle is still intact and we're doing an unboxing. Oh, crazy, right? So I don't remember how to do this. Okay, so the first thing I have, this is by Rainn, and I love Rainn. And this is the Carin Smocked Bib Blouse in Blush. And I don't know the price. I'll go over that when I try it on. But it's really pretty. It actually looked shorter when I peeked. I didn't think I was going to like it. See, don't judge a book by its cover, right? So I like the colors and I like the floral print. And then what do you call, is that what the bibbing is right here? I like that. I think that's a really pretty feature. Rainn's usually a little bit expensive, but we'll see. All right, next this is by Fun to Fun, and this is the Malinara Flutter sleeve blouse in navy. So this looks like it's pretty sheer, so definitely have to wear a cami underneath that. You can see, whoops, I don't know if you can see how sheer it is. It's kind of got the pleating down the front, and the floral print is nice. Not bad. And then this top is by Collective Concepts, and this is the Aimee Surplice top in red. So it's really fun. I like the stripes. It's a wrap top, so you gotta wear something underneath because don't want anything showing. Good neckline. It does, I don't know how I feel about this on the bottom. It does have an elastic waistband, and I'm not usually crazy about those. So, but we'll see when I try it on. And then I have a Fun to Fun blouse. So 2 things from Fun to Fun. Ulrica tie neck blouse in mustard. I saw Tiffany from Tiffany Sue Loves Fashion get this blouse, and I was so excited because it looked cute on her. So I was like excited to get it myself and try it on to see, although I don't know about mustard for me. But it has the tie front here. This also is kind of sheer, so I'll probably need to wear something underneath that. A lot of fun tanks for summer, which is what I think I asked her for. I asked her for bright colors. That's what I've been asking for in all my boxes. Shoes. I'm excited to see these in person. Last couple of times I've gotten flat sandals, and I told her I don't wear flat sandals. I'm only 5'2", and I like to wear heeled sandals, actually heeled shoes in general, especially to work. Ooh, okay, wait a minute. These are by Tom's, and these are the Monica Suede Espadrille Wedge and Blush. These are probably gonna be expensive, huh? So here's the wedge. They're kind of cute, actually. So I don't own anything like this. I'm not a shoe girl. I like shoes. I think I've said this before too. I like shoes. I just don't like go seeking out shoes, if that makes sense. I don't know. I go to like my base. I have a lot of basic shoes that I just wear. But these are fun. It's going to depend on the price. So, all right. I'm excited to try everything on. So let's do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so the first top I have on is by Rainn, and this is the Carin Smocked Bib Blouse. It's $64. It's 100% polyester. So I think this top is very, very pretty. I can't talk today. I'm sorry. It's very pretty. I'm going to come a little bit closer so you have to see the detail on this top. It's so beautiful. So it does have a split kind of neck. And then the top of this, the blouse or tank, whichever you want to call it, is that smocked bibbing, which I think is so pretty. I'll back up again so we can see what the top looks like. I'm being careful because I have my Tom's wedges on, which I'll show you in a second. So this top is very beautiful. I love the pattern, the floral print. I'm just not sure how the blush looks on my skin tone. What do you think? It kind of is blending in with my skin tone, so I'm just not sure if that's a good look for me. This top is lined, so it does have the one layer is that blush color lining. I like it though. I think it's really, really pretty. The back does give me the coverage that I need. What do you think? I like it. I think it's really pretty. I just need your help with the color of the blouse. I think otherwise it has good movement. I like it. It is pricey though. I did pair it with my white jeans, which I've been doing a lot, I know, but I'm just excited to wear white pants and the Tom's wedges. So I will show you those in a second, but if I can show you the whole outfit, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see actually, because I can't back up with the table here much farther. So cute, and the blush kind of matches the top. So let's see if I can do some rearranging of the camera so that you can see these cute Tom wedges. I keep calling them Tom wedges. They're Tom's wedges. And we'll show you those. So give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I know you can't see me, but I have on the Toms, and these are the Monica Suede Espadrille wedges in blush. They are $90. So let's try to model these. I am not going to ever be a shoe model because I don't know what I am doing, but look at, they're cute, right? I think they're very cute. I do like the wedge heel. Can you see them? Do you know I need to come closer? I think they're pretty cute. Show you the back, the front. I like them. What do you think? I don't know if I want to pay $90 for them because I don't know how much use I'll get out of them because they're just a blush color and don't know how much I have to go with it. But anyway, they're cute. What do you think? All right, let's come back so I can see you and try on the rest of the top. Okay, so this is one of the tops by Fun to Fun. This is the Malinara Flutter Sleeve Blouse. I forgot to look at the price. Hang on 1 second. This is $38. This is navy, and it's 100% polyester. It is very sheer, so I have to wear a navy cami underneath it. I'll back up. So actually, let's look at the front first. So it does kind of have some of this pleated detail here, which I'm not sure if you can see with the print. Yeah, actually you can kind of see that. And then it does have the flutter sleeves, which is really cute. I will back up. I like the length of it. I think this is a good top for the warmer weather because it's very breathable, although I don't like the idea of wearing a cami underneath it because it just adds another layer. Normally I don't care, but when it's really warm, I don't know if I'm gonna wanna do that. Sometimes, if I'm really in love with the shirt, I'll do it, but I don't know if I'm really in love with this one. I don't know if the print is too small for me. But anyway, what do you think? It moves well. Here's the back of it. The back is also a really good length. What do you think? I like it. I'm just on the fence. I don't know if I love it. So big difference, right? Because how much am I gonna pull for it if I just like it? But I don't know. I'm kind of going back and forth. You let me know what you think, and I'm gonna go grab, I have 2 more tops to try on, so let's do that. Okay, so I'm back with the other Fun to Fun blouse, and this is the Eureka tie neck blouse in mustard. This one is $36. This top is also 100% polyester. So I'm gonna stay close for a second because I want you to see there is some blue in this pattern. So I did receive a dress in my last box that were kind of the same color combinations, and I liked it. I just don't know if I like the coloring for me. It does have a tie neck, which I'm gonna see if we could take that apart in a second. But let me back up and show you how it looks together first. So again, a really good length. It is kind of see-through, so I might need to wear something underneath it. I did not put a cami on underneath, but maybe I should have. Got a good flow to it. Again, I'll turn around so you can see the back, a good length in the back. I'm not sure that I'm wowed by this top, but let's see. I don't care for this neckline because I don't like the tie. I would probably, oh yeah, this is much better. Okay, I would wear it like this if I kept it. I like more of an open neckline rather than being, I don't know, I just personally feel like I'm being suffocated, but I know a lot of people like the tie neck and some people can pull it off. I just can't. I like this. I like the look like this better. I don't know if the strings are too long to wear it like this, but this is how I personally would wear it. But what do you think? I don't know. I kind of like it. I just don't know about the coloring again for my skin tone. So we'll see. The price isn't bad. So really like that. All right, I've got one more top to show you. I'm excited to try that one on. A little bit different than we've tried on so far. All right, hang tight. All right, last top. This is by Collective Concepts. This is the Aimee Surplice top. This is $54, and it's also 100% polyester. So every single shirt that I got this time was 100% polyester, which I'm kind of happy about because I like wearing polyester in the spring and summer. All right, I did not think I was gonna like this top, but I do, I think. It's just different from what I normally own, and this is like a good 4th of July Memorial Day top. Very fun. So it is a V-neck, a little bit more low cut than I would like it to be, but we can fix that if I really wanted to. That's okay. It is a true wrap style top, so just have to be careful that, you know, nothing shows, right? But I think it's fun. What do you think? I like red, and I don't own a lot of red. I'm trying to incorporate more red into my wardrobe because I think it's a good color for me. I will turn around so you can see the back. Kind of comes down a little bit lower in the back. I don't know. I think I like it. What do you think? You let me know. If I'm way off base, just tell me. But I think this top is really fun. The only thing that I didn't think I was gonna like about this top, or one of the things that I didn't think I was gonna like about this top that is not bothering me as much as I thought it would, is that it does have an elastic band all around the bottom, but it's not bothering me as much as I thought it was going to. The armholes are a little bit big, but they're not too big, so you can't see my bra, so that's good. I think it's fun. I think I might keep this top, but I wanna hear your thoughts too. All right, give me a second. I'm going to change and we will do a recap. Okay, I'm gonna need your help. I'm gonna watch back and see what everything looked like on camera. Sometimes that does help me, but I wanna hear from you too. So if I bought all 5 items, should I do that? I don't know, I'm gonna have to watch back. All right, so it's $282. Yikes, a little bit pricier than I like my fixes to be. But the buy all discount takes off $70.50, bringing the total down to $211.50 for the shoes and the 4 tops. So I think if there were like bottoms in there or dresses, I could probably justify the $211, but for tops and a pair of shoes, I don't know, but let's talk about it really quickly. So the Collective Concepts top, I think it's so fun, and I forgot to go over this as I was reviewing the top when I had it on, that the back detail, which I think is really nice too, with the stitching here and how the stripes are going a different direction. So I kind of like that. I think it has a really good look to that. And then so I'm leaning towards this one, bottom line. I don't know. I'm just not sure where I stand with this box because I'm on the fence about a couple of things. So, and then this is the Fun to Fun top, which just not sure about the coloring for me. Is it a good color for me? I don't know. I want it to be, but I don't think that mustard is. I think that I can wear some yellows. I don't think all yellows look good on me. And then I don't know about this top. I wasn't completely thrilled about it. This other Fun to Fun top, which was the darker, the navy color. I do like the print and I do like the cute flutter sleeve detail, but I'm just not convinced on this one. I love this top, the Daniel Raine top. It's expensive. It's really pretty. Again, I need help with the coloring. Is this a good coloring for me for my skin tone? I don't own a lot of blush because I just feel like sometimes it blends into my skin tone. So help me out. And then lastly, what do you think about the Toms? They're cute, right? Could you see them when I tried them on? I hope that you were able to see them, but I always struggle showing you the shoes, but I think they're pretty cute with the strap in the back. I don't know. Are they worth $90? They would be discounted if I kept everything, but I've got to do some math. I've got to do some looking back to see how everything looked, and then I'll make some decisions. So I really appreciate you watching, and in advance, thank you for your help because I'm really gonna need it with this one. So please leave comments below. It does help me out in deciding sometimes if I'm stuck. So, all right, thanks again for joining me today. I truly appreciate it. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you all really soon.